Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a loose iPhone charger connection in your iPhone. Funny thing kind of happened to me. I was trying to charge my iPhone and the connection would become loose inside of the port, so I had to jiggle it around to get it to seat right, and then if I didn't have my phone properly placed on something, it would stop charging, it would start charging, and it would come off and on. It was really getting annoying, and over time it was starting to get worse and worse and worse. So it's like, crap, maybe the inside of the phone is going bad, like with the port, the charger plugs into the port, and I thought it was getting loose inside. So I was kind of looking around. I'm like, I'm gonna probably have to get a new iPhone. And I started thinking about things a little bit. I'm like, the phone's in my pocket all the time. It's in and out of my pocket. I use it a lot for videos. And like, maybe there's something kind of like jammed into the port that's making the connection loose. And I'll show you what I did to clean it out, and it corrected the issue. So this should pretty much work on pretty much any iPhone with this kind of a connection on the bottom of it. So when I was plugging my charger in like that, I'd have to wiggle it to get it to seat right, and then like the charger was coming off and on and off and on. So what you're gonna want to do is want to find yourself like a safety pin, and it'll help to clean out the port that this plugs into. So what you want to do is make sure you shut the phone off. So you're gonna go like that, shut the phone down, and make sure like it's off because you don't want it, you don't want to short anything out, so, or risk shorting anything out. So let the phone shut all the way off. And then this is a different phone. This is actually my wife's phone. I cleaned out mine, and you'd be amazed at the amount of stuff that came out of the port. So once the phone is shut down, you can kind of go in with the pin, and you're gonna dig out stuff. There's nothing in this one, but in mine, the phone that I was having the issue with, I dug out so much lint that was trapped in there. It was ridiculous. It was probably halfway full of lint from being in my pocket and bouncing around and stuff like that. And it was all compacted in there. So because it was compacted in there, it was making this connection really loose, and it wouldn't go in all the way. So once I cleaned it out, I was able to slide my charger all the way in. It seated properly, and all issues went away. So my phone is perfectly fine. Didn't need to buy a new phone. And I thought I'd pass the tip along to you guys to kind of subscribe to the channel, hang out. It's kind of a good tip, and hopefully it'll save you some money and the cost of buying a new phone. And try it out. It might work for you. It might not work for you, but it could be the issue. And other than finding like a safety pin laying around your house, it's pretty much a free fix. So I thought I'd pass it along. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I got a lot of good stuff coming out. Thanks for watching.